You need to move furniture easy and simple without scratching, sliding on the floor with just the original legs. These are slider socks and slider plates. They're easy to assemble and install. It's compact and in size. We're going to show you a very simple demonstration of the product. Portable indeed. This is from Kiscore. It's a furniture slider kit made of metal and plastic. We have here's a crowbar with a solid wheel that lifts up the furniture, extension bar, 4 covers that go over the sliders, and 8 sliding plates. This is a cover made of plastic. It has a foam inside with a square cutout. Slide on and over. Each of the pieces. Quick and easy to assemble. You're ready to lift your furniture. Grab the slider, slide under, lift up, lift, place, move. When ready to move your furniture, you slide. When ready to move your furniture, simply slide. The sliders are on the table, and when you need to move and adjust into position or slide anywhere, you may do so. Prevents from scratching floors, easy to push and slide. When in place, simply lift and remove off. Sliders with socks, easy to slide furniture, heavy and different types of furniture for your moving needs. I hope you enjoy your product and this demonstration of the furniture slider kit.